Want to make your Threads account private on Threads app but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to change public account to private on Threads app. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's begin by launching the Threads app on your phone. Then tap on the profile icon which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now click on the two lines icon at the top right corner of your screen. Select the privacy option from here. At the top of your screen there is private profile button. Tap on the slider button beside it to turn the account private. If you make the account private, only approved followers will be able to see and interact. So if you're sure, tap on the OK button. And that's how you can change public account to private on Threads app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.